Hello everyone. This is Tejaswini. Today I'm going to talk about the project I'm going to do for the final project I'm going to do, and this is the proposal actually. So, the project I have chosen is reducing wait times in healthcare using Monte Carlo simulation. Basically, I have chosen this topic because I have done lots of research regarding computer simulation, and I felt this is kind of interesting, so that's why I thought of going with that. And coming to the background, uh, basically, mainly this project, as I said, like it is in healthcare. So, in generally, either the emergency cases or let's take the emergency cases. So, most of the emergency cases, the term says emergency, but when we go to the hospital, it's not emergency. Sometimes we have to wait for a while to get to the physician or whatever the respective doctor we need to go to. So, um, the aim of this paper or this project is basically to reduce the wait times, especially in the emergency care, um, using Monte Carlo simulation. Basically, I've chosen Monte Carlo simulation because there are some advantages for that. Um, so, um, I was little bit researching on that as well. I didn't yet complete my research because this is in the initial stages. And like I said, the idea over here is to minimize the wait time, like finding the number of operating rooms that were required um, for the emergency cases. And uh, the simulation method, like I said, it'll be Monte Carlo simulation, and I'll be using Python for this. Haven't even started on coding, but I'll be using Python. I started researching about the method and the techniques and all that stuff. For now, I've made the assumptions like neglecting the wait time, like when the patient enters to the room till the physician arrives. Neglecting that time, and I'm also assuming only five physicians were available at this point, or the doctors, whatever the terminology I might change to doctors later. But yeah, right now I'm assuming the five doctors available, and more assumptions might come at this point. These are the assumptions I have made, and like I said, the Python, I'll be using Python, and for testing this model, basically, the model I'm going to implement. Um, right now, I am reading through different research papers as well in the healthcare, and I might be using the data that was already available from the researchers, or I might be using some data entities available in Google. That's my idea at this point, and test it through the model and apply model to the data available and see how it results. And also, I'll compare with already done researches. I'll compare results with already done researches and see how it, whether it did well or not, or how the other one was good, and how my model is good, and all those kind of validations. So that's the summary of my project, and thank you everyone.